Here is the story of two souls. Both individuals come from different places, one from the Lion City and one from the land of Hornbill. Distance, race, language are no longer a matter as fate had brought them together. I recall the day when we first met. It was my first area in the mission. At that point of time, Aileen was a church member coming from a family of 5 including herself. We had a good rapport and basic understanding of who we were. Towards the end of my mission, I began writing to Aileen via email and letters. Call me old school, but I felt that I really wanted to know who Aileen really was.
Shawn, where should I begin? He never smiled a lot, grumpy look at times, but I do remember the kindness that he has shown towards me and my family. Like the old days, I communicated with him through handwritten letters, cards, and silly photos, which gave me a better understanding of who he really was. It seems like a far-fetched dream that this simple form of communication could bring us together, but forever will I cherish his memory.
For the past 3 years, it has been a great blessing as I finally made the decision to act upon the greatest desire in my life, which was to get married to Aileen. So then this happened.
Sunrise on another day. I hope to see you every day. If you wonder how long I'll be faithful, I'll be happy to tell you again. I am gonna love you forever and ever.